Hi there, hi guys, welcome back with the third and last puzzle. Yes, not in today's newspaper of Thursday, March the 10th, 2022, because in today's newspaper we have only one regular puzzle. No additional, no extra puzzle, so I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzle in the yesterday's newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, Wednesday, March the 9th, 2022. Okay, now the last puzzle, Tectonic with 1 star. And this will be number 4241. 4241. All right. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 20 printed digits. And for 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. I see here single box always a 1. Then the following question, another single box always a 1. Dual boxes, do we have dual boxes here? Yeah, dual box here contains the 1 and the 2. More dual boxes? No. Triple boxes then. Here we have a triple box, contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. The 1 and the 3 is already filled in. So this box should be a 2. Alright. More triple boxes? No. Quadra boxes then. We have here the quadra box. It contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Well, this box cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. And the other numbers, I do not know. Need to wait for more information. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions. For example, here, let me see this shape. Let me draw the shape here. Alright. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So it's a 2. Alright. Then the following shape. We need some. Wait. This page is not correct. Okay. Now I can. Okay. Alright, now I can draw some figures. Well. Overlook this one. Same as this figure. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4. And now we have a 4 here. So I've marked those 2 boxes with a 4. So this box can't be a 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. So 2 numbers left in this quadra box for the numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Okay. So let me draw the next figure. How about the T shape? The T shape. Let me draw this here. The T shape. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So in this case, it's a 2. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay. Then the following shape, the L shape. Okay, let me draw this here. I need more space. The L shape. Remember, if you see the L shape, this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Alright. This box has the same number as that box. Okay, so this box. Same number as that box. And those are the shapes in this puzzle that you need to recognize. We have only 1, 2, 3, 4. There are more, but not in this puzzle. I believe there are maximum 6 shapes or figures that you need to recognize. Why you need to recognize? Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. Alright, I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 4. Okay, I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Well, this box is connected with that box, so we saw 1 and a 2, but we already have a 2 there, so it can't be a 2 anymore. This box should be a 1. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. 1 box left in this area for number 2. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can it be a 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2, 1. The 2 is missing and the 4 is missing. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. This box can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. This box can be a 3. That box can be a 4. So the 3 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as appear. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. So 1 digit left in this area for number 5. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box will be a 3, and this box will be a 4. These 2 boxes can be 2. These 2 boxes can be 1. So the 2 and 1 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 1, 2 and 1. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Alright. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 1. These 2 boxes can be 4. So the 1 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Wait, these 3 boxes surround the 1, can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Then these 3 boxes surround the 1, can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be 2, and this box should be a 4. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 2 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 3 and 1. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4. Can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 4. Then. Let me see. Overlook this 2. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 1. Now we have a 1 here. So this box should be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 4. Then. Let me see. Well, this box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes can be a 1. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 1 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 1, can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, the 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. So 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Finish in 11 minutes. Told you, faster than 50 minutes I need for this Tectonic. And I like this one. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists. Playlists for the Tectonic. Playlists for the binaries. Playlists for the ladder Sudoku. I have also a playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus. A playlist for the heavy, the medium, the light, the quintuplet, the killer Sudoku, all kind of puzzles or Sudokus. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all those playlists that you want. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Thursday, and we will meet again tomorrow. Yeah, on Friday. It's almost weekend. Yes. Until then, bye-bye for now.